All right, hello everyone. It is 4:39 and we are kind of in the tail end of the after hours portion of the trading day. And just like I said in my video earlier today with the Roblox IPO, I did say I was going to make another video just kind of just like covering going over all about how today was. And when I did that video at around this time of the day, around like 8, maybe like 7:30 a.m. I believe. Can't remember exactly, but it was like, yeah, it was like around 7:40. It was like basically like right about an hour after the markets opened. And overall, today was a green day except for a brief period. At around like 9:30 this morning, we were in the red for a little bit, but overall it was a green day overall. And just looking at all these different positions that I'm in, it's about half and half. Looks like half of them are green, half of them are red. It just kind of just depends on which one you're looking at. Some of these companies that I plan to hold long term, most of them are in the red, like Nintendo, Amazon, CrowdStrike, and Activision Blizzard. Lemonade was actually green today for most of the day, which is pretty cool. Um, my free stock that I got from a referral is up like 4.5%, which I think is pretty nice. I'll definitely take that. Um, yeah, like even like Airbnb, PayPal, and IDXX. Most of these companies, they're like they're like kind of like they ended the day at around like the neutral mark, like about like less than 1% of where they were yesterday. So overall, it was kind of like just very slight growth or devaluation one way or another. But yeah, um, with Roblox, it is a stock that I am potentially looking at to hold long term, and I actually don't plan to do it. I mean, probably not. I probably won't be doing it maybe immediately, just to see how far, just to see if it goes down, because I know we are kind of like in a bear market right now, and I'm sure it's overdue. And I'm sure Roblox will now be affected too. I think was just kind of a today was just kind of like a lucky day, right? Well, not exactly lucky, but it was like obviously there was a lot of like hype going on around Roblox stock, and so it obviously had that going for it, right? But it may not. That won't be the case going forward. Give it a week, give it 2 weeks. Once all the hype dies down. And look, in terms of their fundamentals, I think they're very solid. Honestly, I am very certain that they will be fine in the long term. But I am kind of like anticipating, Roblox to make a correction in the near future, probably within like the next couple weeks. And, at that point, this is just part of me trying to maximize the value that I get out of Roblox. At that point, I'll definitely purchase more shares for the future. But I was able to make a um, I was able to make a rather small profit day trading Roblox today. So as you guys can see there, I bought in at 528, and I actually did cancel my limit buy because yeah, the $45 price, that wasn't going to happen at the very least. It seemed to be like the bare minimum seemed to be 64.75, and even then you had to be pretty early. For me, I actually got in at the $66 mark, which I'll definitely take that. And being at that mark, it did allow me to get a rather small profit of about $48. But $48 is $48, right? I'll take it for sure. Okay. Um. Yeah, $48. I'll take it. Right. And again, I don't, in the early days of doing these videos, I used to day trade a lot, but I've tended to favor more long term now. But, this was just, I couldn't pass this up just because I just kind of saw that it was like easy money at this point. The only thing I wish I could have done differently was that I would have bought Roblox on margin, so I could have had even bigger profits. But it is what it is. Sure, it could have easily gone in the other direction too, and I'm not gonna look down on myself for that. Okay, but yeah, that's kind of like how today was. A $48 profit, I'll take it, no matter how big or small. But yeah, that's it though. Overall, today was a good day. We obviously are still down quite a bit at this point, down over like almost like 21%. But slow and steady wins the race, in my opinion, anyway. And definitely anything to help like mitigate this decline, I'll take it, right? Even if that means like day trading Roblox for today. This number could be $48 higher that you see, like the number that's down for the last 3 months. That number could have been $48 higher today than it is right now. So I'll take it, right? But yeah, that's about it for today. Though, guys, I hope you guys have a good time, and that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye bye.